Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to color calibrate your display in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Go to search menu and type calibrate display color. Click on open it and welcome to display color calibration. Click on next. Click on next. To set gamma, adjust the gamma slider. So the small dots inside the circles are barely visible. Adjust it and select next. If you want it, then you can adjust this brightness and contrast adjustment. Follow the instructions. Next, select next. And you can color balance. Move the slider to remove any colors cast like blue green tint. The goal is to look like a natural gray tone. Click on next. Finish if you want to save the calibrate, or you can cancel to keep the previous one. And that's all you have to do it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.